cleaning is a time-consuming job that requires a lot of elbow grease. If you want to use your pool anytime, you must do basic pool cleaning at least once or twice a week. Now, if you don't want to do this yourself, you'll have to hire someone to do the job for you, which can get expensive. Thankfully, Aiper thought of automating the job with their automatic robotic pool cleaner. Hi, I'm Joey Morales for MakeUseOf.com, and today we'll check out the Aiper Seagull 3000. We tested the pool cleaner here at Casa Claudia, a lovely private resort about an hour's drive north of Metro Manila. We've been using the Seagull 3000 almost daily, sometimes twice a day, for the past 1.5 months to ensure that the pool is always clean for all our guests. So, is the Aiper Seagull 3000 good at keeping our pool clean? We'll find out. When the Seagull 3000 arrived, it was in a rather large box. It contains the robotic pool cleaner, a floating battery, a charging brick, and 3 extra buoyancy foams. That's all you get with the device, but you don't really need anything else to use it. Setting it up is also pretty simple. You just need to go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the Aiper app. Once you've installed it on your phone, connecting the pool cleaner to it is as simple as 3 taps. First, ensure that the pool cleaner is turned on. It doesn't have to be in the pool when you do that, but avoid operating it out of the water. Once the device is turned on, go to your smartphone, turn on the Bluetooth receiver, then head into the Aiper app and tap on the Bluetooth icon on the upper left-hand corner. Once there, you should see the Seagull 3000 listed on the available devices. Just tap on it and the app will automatically connect to your pool cleaner. And there you go. Once it's connected, return to the main screen and tap on the center speedometer icon at the bottom of the menu to see how much battery your pool cleaner has left. If it's below 80%, you should charge it before using the pool cleaner. Now, the pool cleaner has enough charge. All you need to do is to place the robot and its floating battery into the pool. It doesn't matter where, and let the main unit slowly sink to the bottom. Once it's on your pool floor, tap the S-shaped icon on the left side of the menu to see the available cleaning modes. Now I have to warn you that the pool cleaner does have some weight. One person can carry it, but you shouldn't bring your smartphone with you while lugging the thing around. You have to exert some effort in it, and you might drop your smartphone to the pool if you carry it with the pool cleaner. Once you're ready to clean your pool, choose any of the 4 available modes you see on the screen, and then tap Start Cleaning. And with that, the pool cleaner will chug along quietly, allowing you to relax or do something else while the Seagull 3000 gathers dust, dirt, hair, and other small debris from your pool. Once the cleaning process completes, the robot will quietly park itself near the side of your pool. If it has enough battery remaining, you can tap on the directional icon on the right side of the bottom menu to activate manual control. From there, you can direct the Seagull 3000 to climb up the wall nearest you, and then you can grab it once it surfaces. But if it doesn't have enough battery power left, well, you'll have to dive in or use a long hook to fish it out. Never pull it by the cable, which could damage the pool cleaner. You actually don't need the app to operate the pool cleaner. The floating battery allows you to select different programs via the mode button. Once you finish setting it up, you can then press the start button to run it. However, you can't manually control the robot with the floating battery. So once it finishes, you really have to fish out the pool cleaner from the pool floor for yourself. Speaking of the program modes, the Aiper Seagull 3000 offers 4 options: pool floor, pool wall, clean the floor once, and clean the wall once, and then clean the floor 3 times and clean the wall once. These options are both selectable on the app and the floating battery. If you're programming the robot via the battery, the indicator lights will show which mode you're using. The machine will cover the pool floor and wall if all is marked on the floating battery. If you pick wall or floor, then it will clean the respective part of the pool once. But if you choose all and floor simultaneously, the Seagull 3000 will clean the pool floor thrice and the pool wall once. Although the Aiper Seagull 3000 has a lot going for it, it's not a perfect device. For one, the app does not notify you once the cleaning process is done. In fact, you wouldn't know it's finished until the pool cleaner parks itself at the side of your pool. The connection between the app and the device turns off after a few minutes, presumably to save on battery power. But that leaves you guessing if the Seagull 3000 has finished working. Because of this, it is best to set an alarm on your phone to remind you that your pool cleaner is working. If the pool cleaner finishes its job and you forget that you used it, it could lay days underwater. The pool cleaner works best with rectangular, oval, or kidney-shaped pools. If your pool doesn't have this shape, you'll have to clean it section by section, as the robot can get confused. It also doesn't climb over steps, so you'll have to control it manually using the app. Furthermore, if you're looking for a mapping functionality similar to modern robotic vacuums, the Seagull 3000 doesn't have it. You'll see it working all over your pool randomly, but you'll have to trust that it has covered your pool completely in its cleaning run. And while this Aiper Seagull 3000 effectively gathers light debris, it can't pick up heavier items like coins or rocks. And it can pick up waterlogged leaves on your pool floor, but if it's still fresh and green, there's a good chance it'll simply move out of the way of the cleaner. Nevertheless, after a couple of passes in our pool, the pool cleaner eventually got all the leaves off our swimming pool. Also, the manual says that the pool cleaner will have difficulty sucking up algae due to its slippery nature. So if you have algae in your pool, ew, you should scrub it up manually. Yeah, you have to put in all those elbow grease. And all those issues that I mentioned are just minor stuff actually. The important thing is it could effectively clean your pool without supervision. Its large filter baskets can capture a lot of dirt, so you'll need to clean it out every time you use it. Although it's still recommended that you remove the dirt and debris in the machine to ensure optimum performance. Swimming pools need consistent maintenance, and the Aiper Seagull 3000 will give you that with less effort and at a fraction of the cost of hiring someone for basic pool cleaning. And since it captures the small fine particles in your pool before they reach the primary pool filter, you're helping extend the life of your pool machinery. There are other alternatives to the Seagull 3000. They're usually more expensive and have shorter battery life though. So far, this robotic pool cleaner from Aiper is the best option if your pool is 3,229 square feet or 300 square meters big. So, thank you for watching our review, the Aiper Seagull 3000, and thank you to Aiper for sending this one-tap pool cleaner for review. If you really like the video, leave a like as it helps our channel grow. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icons to be notified whenever we release a new video. In the description below, you'll find the links to the written review of the Aiper Seagull 3000. You'll also find a whole lot more tech articles that help you make use of your everyday devices.